Hi viewers, welcome to this platform. It's always a pleasure for me to be here. Lest I forget, welcome to a brand new month. This is 1st of October. And as a matter of fact, this month has rightly started well because today also is the first day of the week. Wow, that's incredible. All right, so first day of the week, first day of the month. I welcome you all to a brand new month, the month of October. All right, so it's always a pleasure for me to be here to bring you insightful ideas and to lead you into a successful career in acting. So you want to act? I'm very sure you're passionate about film acting. All right, so all you have to do is stay with me to the end of this video because I'm about to give you a jaw-dropping information that will blow your mind. Well, if film acting has always been your passion and you've been looking for that opportunity and a formidable platform to help you unleash your full potential and to showcase you all over the world, then I've got good news for you. All you have to do is register for free and join the MOVIESTAR QUEST. I know some of you don't know exactly what MOVIESTAR QUEST is all about. All right, so let me take a second and tell you what this is about. The MOVIESTAR QUEST is an online film acting competition to help discover upcoming actors and to give them the opportunity to live their dreams in film acting, giving them opportunity to compete alongside other actors, mostly upcoming actors, and also to discover them and give them lots of benefits, including film contracts. This may just be that one opportunity you've always been looking for to live your dreams as a film actor. Everything about this show is online. So what that means is that you don't necessarily have to come to our office to do anything, no form of physical documentation. Everything will be done online. So what do you have to do? Put a call through to us on the numbers displaying right now on your screen and let's take you through the process. And yes, now, let me tell you more about the competition. Guys, do you know that we have over 500,000 naira worth of deal awaiting one winner? Who knows? It might just be you. Yes, you watching me right now. That's not all. Okay, so if you are the winner, you are also going home with an ambassadorial deal and also a film acting contract deal, plus an award of achievement. Wow, isn't this super amazing? So guys, have you ever won yourself an award? I don't think so. But if you have, then I guess it's time for you to win yourself another one. The winner, the first runner-up and the second runner-up are going home with what we call an award of achievement. And also guys, not forgetting, we have lots of other consolation prizes for all the contestants. So what are you waiting for? Right now, registration is currently ongoing. It's starting today, October 1st, and it's going to end on Saturday, October 7th, 2023. Don't be found wanting and don't be late because on Saturday, 7th of October 2023, we are done and dusted with the registration process. And anybody who does not register between now and Saturday will lose the chance of getting in this competition, at least for this season. So guys, after the registration, the next thing you have to do is pretty very simple. All you have to do is get the storyline for the competition, which of course we are going to be sending over to all contestants. So record yourself acting according to the storyline, do your very best performance and leave the rest. You never can tell, you may just be the best performer. So after you've recorded yourself acting according to the script and that's your best performance, then you're good to go. Send it over to us on WhatsApp and you will be successfully enrolled for the competition. So every other aspect of the competition, we are going to lead you through the process. Like I always say, this may be your only opportunity. So, do not let this one fly. You better take your chances now in the Movie Star Quest Season 1. I guess it's time for you to come all out and prove how talented you are and to be unleashed to all and sundry. It's time for the world to get to know and hear of you. It's time to live your dreams as a film actor. See you on the other side of the show when you register. My name is Elegant Akpabio, and I am delighted to be your project director in this competition and also the host for this show.